All right, it's here for any for Yamamunina Aquaba, Eba HYTV, any York FM. So now, and live commentary was so for Semishan triple action, and I made the Eba Brona. Mamunim said, and then Jumedia Cassia our home, and the black Morocco for the Bessiani, and I Afcon, I can't see you. Now, Mamunim said, Endra dear, Burkina for any Cameroon, and she says so. The game no ewieyano na Cameroon for Edin Kunim 2-1. Abrantie Abubakar Vincent Abubakar no born homoden a share penalty mienu of course so e wo hono na ene me name pay for have to twin kowo kakra Mr. Ankra Wahana Mr. Usu so yes omunim omoyenim before e wo sports mu pa ne e be twin kowo na bebre na e kan sem bi say this year the Blasters I was saying mama eba fientem na sika no mkwakodi asai no bi mu so e ka say afidi anhwe ya na akoye amaye because coach Milovan Rayovac no last time the ekwa could do finals apart from coach Milovan ba be sombia no omgia na ebu aha it here we be kakra with the AFCON 2010 Ivory Coast any Ghana Asia and no group stage na eba na we na Ghana etimi edin so yes so ni omo group stage and no dey yedin kunim Ghana ye so mo ekaba akopɛ and no 2010 AFCON yene Angola so etia wo quarter finals the free group stage you know ye quarter finals na ni nyina ne say yene Angola share no nyamiado the Blasters of Ghana etimi share Angola for ekaba ko Angola for etimi share no quarter finals and ye dey for cho sam ye ko pm e was the same AFCON the semi-finals they could do one na mu adin na ye Ghana ni Nigeria so I can say na mu adin pa na no so eba back home our Nigeria for so Nigeria for etimiante just say goes need 1-1 at the break pass someone yan in call for and on baby jet eginim come now na Egypt ne Ghana finals the name wedding na me ka say Egypt there oba can say AFCON Egypt imagine do pa aha enti finals name wedding na Egypt ne Ghana na case anybody we na the pharaohs of Egypt mometimi abom homodi etwa the Blasters of Ghana ekaba ko Ghana for entimiante send ahwe wo screen so no just say Jamana na Ghana for no mo say Morocco for so etalimu de den just say Jamana na ekosu Jamana eba AFCON dia the whole Africa opa team omoshi Jamapa the Blasters of Ghana ye jama etuhwa emunso edupa aha and the Blasters no ana team ababedu no mushi jama no players no ho me who Richard Atta training session because okay obone homa de pa Daniel Kofi kire SOG Thomas Tepate ana mo ye warm up kama no Kofi kire so game we insu supporters na National Supporters Union omonso mo ho kama brass band ene dia play beja na metiefo ene die mu amamo history kakra e mabakwa semu no o hwe AFCON na Egypt for afan 7 times no mu lead AFCON the whole Africa Egypt afan 7 times Cameroon for afan 5 and only the APM e wo honom. Now one thing is Ghana the Blasters of Ghana yafa 4 times in the Africa it also 4 AFCON yafa 4 times the last one fire 1982 near fire Nigeria for also 8 abom homodin afa 3 Nigeria afa 3 Cote d'Ivoire afa 2 pair Cote d'Ivoire for afa 2 na Algeria so afa 2 DR Congo for also afa 2 Zimbabwe afa 1 Tunisia afa 1 Sudan for afa 1 Ethiopia afa 1 Morocco afa 1 and South Africa for also afa 1 Mali for also there akopena no mkremu ho na anti and only history kakra me dem our AFCON ho no now one thing I'm person me catch on is this in AFCON mu ayedi pa I mean me paying for entry and come on. Yanko Studio B. Na entry come on kakra. Mr. Ankra. My boss Akwaba. But you say be aboko. Ye de Nyankopon ase. Nyame ado mesu hu ye pa. And a blasters for ye siako. Na uhu ni say. Tough match pa. What did you say between the calf and our?
You be preaching, you know. And say country, you be to the cup.
Oh, I don't be preaching answer because of your performance, players or more bomber blasters on Bowerman on performance, the likes of Andre Ayew, the master Patasna, some
team players no more corner. Why the big team? We, but if you want a big team.
Oh, Jordan so about Crystal Palace.
You are Mutuno, my be.
Oh, Aquarius. Aquarius or Presano. Amate. Also a Leicester.
This year, no, Amate or performing.
Anything a friend no.
This year, from last 2 seasons, Amate no nyabimo. The team winning your team. Though I just say Yameto man be my
Manapa.
Sana mihunu.
Hey. Ayekesi. Bibia kama. Okay, nyane tie so mobile stadium one na abrante bi so ha Mr. Usu Bokodi e. Achim president. I'll call you guy. Na Bibia Bokodi e. Ye de Nyankopon ase. And who boy is saying?
Born dey. Said dey mihunu anu so mu gina TV dey.
All right. Oh, okay.
Oh, that
part the other one work. Because Morocco for Morocco for betting me a
sir.
Don't forget, say, I can say, examination favors the what?
The fool. Okay. Prediction and I can see no here saying a scoreline 2-0. Okay, Mr. Ankra. All right, it's here for now. Go Facebook HYTVGH. York FM so come. Okwan we piase for amaye. Na bibia aye kama na. I can say ene mu be de. Enti yen hwe Morocco for national anthem.
Surely one of the most laid back of national anthems. And now we're ready for the national anthem of Ghana.
And now the national anthem of Ghana.
We're sending El Kona. Let's hear the anthem of the Blasters of Ghana.
So the scene is set. It's Morocco against Ghana coming up.
Say, studio hands ayashi against for no so ewa na line up no saying etie ewa ha no say yanko the Blasters of Ghana for aswe na one thing I'm pressure me catch on say yes to me live our Facebook anka uko Facebook HYTV and empire ebeja. But one thing is, we bring a Ghana for 80 me and could do baby. Yes, but any the Ghana on bait maybe be me akasa me jomudi. All right, so you have line up on a quick 1-2. You have line up on a quick 1-2 now. And also any one thing a free a honum ever. Now any from commentary position, you know, I am also to mention the triple action panels. I'm not very discussion, you know. The Achim president. Any Mianka Sami director bako pe ekume ne chiri ne nimobia ni ho na me ka mo say Senegal any Zimbabwe match no ekoso boko Senegal for Asheka bako omari nkuni ewo ho no no eno ne de efri ewo eba eno ye anope de ekoso na ye line up no Jojo Walcott and Dibuachi Yadom Thomas Depate Jordan Ayu Joseph Painter Abdul Rahman Baba also etalimu kama. Now information na Baba Rahman so ewo ho sana mate any can say Walcott abrante dem kama Andre Ayew so wom the master pate enso wom kama and information on the Blasters of Ghana airborne no information on the Blasters for airborne paye mpaiba no asipa and empire ebeja and the Blasters of Ghana bring Morocco and the babesi ani hey, me too say coach ni Morocco for coach ni so one pay million to there yeah and I have empire ebeja from commentary positions and we share that triple action am the Abraham and I can see no be the pay we hwesania Blasters for a mini Morocco for now because friendly match of Nigeria boy and Ankoye Amomo I can't see anybody we na Blasters of Ghana for either from a Camian son omantimu antimu bako crampo and only the free a honum eba okay na case no eba be so referee center referee or the case na so bona Morocco for afemu honum Morocco the crab ball aha then number 4 abrante do crab ball kama na me come say Ghana versus Morocco I can't say na the Abraham no say na Morocco for ball no aha Bono ewo Morocco for afem honum abrantia no oh referee say ye throw e dey tia the Blasters of Ghana bono e throw e dey tia Ghana for send ya kensie no ye start here who's the players na so mo ya ye dog number 2 shirted man abrantia no me hu ni din ye cry aha bono esa e throw aye to bono e dey tia Morocco for na senia uhwe bono akense senia koso no Ghana for ashe fita senia nim dada na Morocco for no so de o mara so ashe mo red na esoro akukosra esoro koko ena asia no eno so mo amuni senia green no echa hu no eno so green abrantia Baba Rahman the crab ball ye hwe de obetimi aye wato bono tete oh what am I oh Jordan Ayew what am I the day Ayew the crab ball no yes, you're obeying. Baba Rahman, echo, Debbie. Born a corner, Morocco defender number 5. Where you born, if you come. I got the Blasters of Ghana, Echo, Brantia, Jordan Ayew. You're starting in money, but so any pie. And call the Atna Echo to net him. A corner, I am waiting Morocco for. Now you're ready, ABC. You're not able born. 50-shaded man. Joseph Painter. What about it? Goalkeeper Pierre. What a save! Goalkeeper Pierre. To go under Super Morocco from Rantiano. Or the about 50 or the Abasi or come on. We Pierre bonus the Blasters of Ghana. I was able to be talking about Morocco for the born aircon. Where the aircon and him come on. Yeah, they call the Blasters of Ghana for us where. Was signed a job on with the Abanerichi. And a money player, Morocco Nino. Abrante Mufani di Emami Wine, not producer, Bibiam Kama. Morocco for the crab on. A throwing. ɛyɛ throwing na yɛ throw ɛde etia Morocco. Now one thing they say, Abranti your friend Hakim Ziyech, boy on Kahu. It's an aswadi bi okodi camp coach friend or you know 1 or 2 be on person beba or Chelsea now then I bet you. Aha. Send out who know akensi and screen this no. I throwing Morocco fat born at 10. Amato ekra Morocco no. I'm gonna be born echo the blast of Ghana kwa jibono. Send a blasters to any abrenu. Blasters of Ghana in the crab on Ghana. You heard the Ghana bet me. Ghana, oh, referee. Referee say, a foul. Referee at the foul. Abrantia Thomas Pate. Referee at the foul. Referee at the foul. Ama Abrantia Thomas Pate. Morocco Nino Eco Piano. Abrantia El Thomas Pate. El Ashiho. Ain't the referee at the foul. A free baby a born Eda. Echo the 18-yard box in Umunu. A sima baye yapani say anamon edumi enubi. Jordan you are passing on the come the blast of Ghana heard baye. Hey go Debbie. Eka kiti. Eka kiti the blast of Ghana. Omo ekwa koto atna edi kind. Esu Morocco defender number 5 shattered man. Where you born every hall come on. Where you born every hall. I can't say anymore the paye. The Brasters of Ghana. Amate Ejina Honum, Jordan Ayu, Tema Step Attention Ho. Or more boxing him up 2-1-10. A Chiriquarium. Oh, Debbie. Blasters of Ghana for someone who see Morocco for more mount up, more pressure. No. Karim Sud Abrantiano, the born Econo. Yay, Wachibaku. Suleiman Wachibaku, Wachimienu. Was after the ability. Hey, Abrantio, you get Debbie. As the son of Seguho. Born a corner. Onani sila kama Morocco number 8 man. Onani. Oh, Brantia Suleiman. Come. Send your case and Econ Ghana for HBK come home back to me. Omadi Anwadi Eshema. Umbeti be enya read our hall. They must step pate. Ojina honum kama. Abrantia John Painter. Sorry, Joseph Painter. Peter wanted to take Korea. Hey, go! Debbie. Debbie Ghana for some ye. Oh, referee foul. Why you foul? Alexander Jeku. Referee foul. Eddie Etiano. Takwa di coin enye. Mr. Accra. So far, who born is say? Sir. Oh, okay. Sir. All right, and the end to us near Rebono. Dream no ever soro. Morocco for the crab one. I'm going to call 18 yards with the blast of Ghana. Referee a penalty na. Debbie. Abratia Daniel Mate Wayadi upon the Leicester City player. Bonnie from Morocco for him. I'm going to born echo blast out of Ghana for us. You heard the ABC. Morocco for the crab boy. Number 7 shattered man. We're in the corner. I'm at the Morocco. We're in the corner. I'm Morocco for no. We're in the corner. I'm Morocco for no. Taka mate Eddie Coino. I was saying to me, Shushim. Baba Raman, Mone Comas attack. Baba Raman. Born a corner here to the Blasters of Ghana. Born a corner. I here to the Blasters of Ghana. Born a corner. I want to know what's wrong. Sir.
What then the blasters are what then was renting. Actually, one is some bushing years and a bear betting me aboard. Just idea. You lose a crabby dear as a bit me. One go
Mamma Chawadi. Once North Africans. Omubo boy na e counter.
Sir.
It is here caught near back to 90 men. No one now follows on Cope goal. Net is the no Bekugana.
Wow.
It is almost quite so much. Adam Amate and Ajeku.
But your producer for born to some way.
So when you're not there, no munya canta on Bessie Ghana.
Wow.
It has almost share or more chilling ye.
Okay, I was a Ghana for him, much ye born Ekra Morocco for no. Born Ekra de Morocco. Ekra de Morocco and Morocco for no. Born Ekra. Send I can't say any more. I deno. I find I born Muhammadi. The goalkeeper, Morocco. MC Ahwaya there. All right. Send your normal air corner. Okay. Morocco for the crab on. I'm going to crab on. I'm going to born a diagro. I'm going to born a diagro. I'm going to born a diagro. Morocco for the born air corner. Bakumi and were passing in here. But the born air corner him. But the born air corner. I can't remember Ghana for 80-yard boss him. Answer your brand here, Debbie. Ghana for the born for come. I said Ghana for born on Mobana so many in the hall. I'm going to diagro too much. Like Mekamo said, the year 1957. 1957. I say AFCON, I say no. Egypt for NFI. And 1959. Egypt for Sanso FI. Morocco for the born econom. Bakumi Yanumi and Sawaki. And so Ebuakem. Anya referee say AFI and Morocco. Referee say AFI. Abrante Thomas Tepate. Referee say AFI. Senamdi Kankano. In the year 1959, Egypt for NSA so FI AFCON. Egypt never AFCON. Just Egypt for there. About AFCON there, I'm not fan sa. I'm not AFCON sa. Ne hwese ne akense na kona. Agrofamane so ayde paaye. Ghana for abobon asim tete ba kumienu me sa. O dabi. Abrante Joseph Painter odi bon echi sa so ntimi amfa na what they know from. Na who den ewo from paaye. The Black Stars of Ghana nil. Black Stars of Ghana for Shebi Morocco for Shebi. Goalkeeper Jojo Walcott. Bon akwedi ni sa. Oma pass. Ori amane nyonko ni abema kama abrante amate. Mate nso agemu. Oja bo no. Sani akensen ekwedi. Ghana for the born econo. Thomas Tepate. Oja bo no ma hwan. Hey, what am I? Suleiman Chubakumienu and Swabuakem. What a clear. What a defend. Wow. Number 6 shattered man from Morocco. What clear on every 18-yard box in him. Morocco ain't shabby. Sounds like Ghana for us ain't shabby. I can't say anymore at the paye. Baba Raman. What to born it to what am I Andrew the day are you? Are you so the man Temaster Pate? But I'm a long pass and so NTB anchor. Morocco for a club on every 80 yard was come. My club on every chile. Temaster Pate was not come Asnas. Bona Bechiro Kama, the Blasters of Ghana. Bona Wamaswe Honum. I'm the born AD Agro Ewa Kama. I can't say anymore. I didn't pay. Blasters of Ghana for the crab on or passing on the Aquerechi. The Malazanda Jaku. The Kusa Jabon Kama. And the Master Master pass. You hear the way you want shot. Goalkeeper. Jojo Walcott. Number 47 man from Morocco. Oh, ball long shot. Mistake a Patekoyeno. Eka kiti. Walcott Chibon and no game. Bonana no depaye. Blasters for here we are. Occasion could be any assume. Blasters for here we are. Occasion because we are any assume. Jordan, are you the form or pray for foul? Jordan, are you? Nanka okwa kwahye enso defender no wama ne kwan kra. Oma complain. I was saying to my third party, oh, you're very careful. Morocco for referee say a foul against the Blasters of Ghana. Morocco for goalkeeper on the air born. I'm a one-shotted man. All born it to Turenko Wiem. Morocco for a pin born kama and so a control. And you try to etia Morocco. Oh, okay, etia Ghana mom. Mr. Akra, I see who boy say.
Oh, me de GDA na de still ya mompa ya mfampa bonta o machi.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay. You see I can Sima do me a sound.
Oh, be a two teams in the ball more modern.
Okay.
Two teams no be a bon more modern.
Be a come out home.
Be
But they are now on time supporting Blasters out.
Yeah, there kula ya maya.
Jordan, are you? Sorry, Dede, are you? Dede, are you akutu from honum? Wasoniti. Esan say, Debbie, Abrantiano. Esan say, ni true ya kwabu ntino. Morocco ni Abrantia, the number 50-shirted man. Wa wusu ni tia mana de grand sign. As referee ento akensi eni so. Referee ento akensi eni so. Boni kra Morocco for no. Ye heard on betimi aye. Morocco. Oh, Debbie. Referee say a foul. Ye boti Suleiman. Referee say a foul. Na Morocco for Abrantia ni kra bono kama. And so Suleiman wakwa ko pia Abrantia no. The referee say a foul. A goal kicker. A foul kicker here to etia the Blasters of Ghana. One ekwa kwa ye wo. Jojo Wale Court. Or kondati wo honum ye. Maybe I born it down there. I'm born it Debbie. Andre Dede Ayu Morgan. Wa pinball every hall. Dede Ayu a pinball every hall. And Morocco for no. Omo pa kire se Ghana for se ma sorry ayesu aso. Morocco for adi ye Ghana. And so Captain Fantastic. Eye Andre Dede Ayu Morgan. Wa pinball every aye corner kick. Morocco for born it Debbie. Debbie. Okay. Morocco for goalkeeper no. Number 1, your friend Bono. And Hakim. And able to. Number 2, set man Hakim. Number 6, set man. Siasi. Mami. I didn't hear who. Upgrade. And Masina. Number 3. Luasa. Number 7. Amala. Number 15. Referee be yakoko srade a kire hwan. Alexander Jeku be yellow card. Essence tackle the choir no. Captain Fantastic, did you? Oni referee e kasa. O si ref Debbie, I was say bonu hwe niye. Taka brante no so de buy na nye. Referee ayi akoko srade e. Eri a kire Alexander Jeku enya yellow card. The first yellow card in this game. Abranti Alexander Jeku. Tako di coin enya kra. Number 14. Abranti Abuaka ni etwa no ebo honu. Eye free kick. Free kick aye to etia the Blasters of Ghana. Free kick. Number 7. Loza. Abranti Loza. What money to tin. Let's go we go na Debbie. Baba Rama wa pimbo ne fro come. Referee at the foul. Tackler. Captain Fantastic. Or the coin in your crown. Oh. Nanya crown referee at the foul. Etia Abrantia. SAS. Abrantia SAS. Referee at the foul. Etiano. Morocco ni Abrantiano. Opia Barama form. To referee at the foul. Jojo Walekod, goalkeeper for the Black Stars of Ghana. Obone titi esim. Eturem Korean one epim. Morocco 4. Body cram Morocco. You heard the Morocco 4 versus Black Stars of Ghana for Ajibono. Black Stars of Ghana Majibono. Wabon titi esim. Eko Morocco 4 say when I call Jordan are you? Jordan are you make me Bibiana? Jordan are you? Goalkeeper Pierre. Oh Debbie. Jordan are you? Jordan are you? Goalkeeper Bono APA. Daniel Mate crossing Bono. No Jordan are you? Siasi number 6 Morocco. I want a keeper. Bono. Goalkeeper Bono of Morocco. Opiano be guide Bono come on. And a Bono echo goal kick. Morocco for the club Bono. Jordan I was already on what is a Bono. Morocco for the club Bono. Morocco. You heard them Morocco. And soon, they are you born from an answer. Morocco for the club on number 15. Amala. Rema number 14. Morocco for the club on. Morocco. You heard them me. Morocco. I'm the born a dear grandpa. I'm not fan say a friendly match be. I'm going to say AFCON yabo. Number 2. Abrantier Hakim. Ghana for the club on. One of the born echo. Sulemana, the one echo. Sulemana, 80-yard boss as Derby. Yaklebonum. Abratia Sas. Sias Abek Klebon, Efi Sulemana Nayase. Abratia Suleman, Okra Speed Pa. Ojibon, the one echo. Abratia Nukra Speed Pa ye. And Suna Obieni ho. And a defender, Sias. Obek Klebon into Ayatro. Baba Raman. For the Black Stars of Ghana, on number 2 Bono. Baba Rahman, number 70 shaded man. Baba Rahman. What 2 Bono thing. What am I Suleiman? As Morocco for you born a free ho. Referee say a troll, yen to enter Morocco. A troll. Born a troll. Make I say HYTV. York FM. I don't want to go so with you South Korea. Come. And then they are good year some bro. And your friend just ASM that triple action. Ben, or control MCR Honum, I'm come. Uko Facebook, HYTV. One like you page, you know. Now they'll comment at to her. Now we Pia Shana, I'm come. Facebook, HYTV. Baba Rahman, the Jabonetinu. A free kick. Suleiman and Sujina ho. A free kick. I am Boetia Morocco. You ready, Bessie? Jordan, are you Sujina Pereti Adakenim? Tema step at this war. What you want to take? Oh, Okotikube. Oh, Baba Rahman Kotikube. Oh, Baba Rahman. Debbie. Oh. Morocco 0, the Blast of Ghana 0. Obia to be NSHB. Morocco from right in the club on. Morocco head on Betmiaye. Morocco for the club on. And so there be Takubenie. Referee. Takubenie. Oh. Morocco for Borikin. Referee in Sasha bottom. Thomas step attack. Referee in Sasha bottom. Oh. Abrantia Joseph Pinto. Takomedi man and then Kweye Kra. Abrantia Joseph Pinto. Takwadi Kwenenya Kra. Referee Eya Kokosra Diano. Ori achire wan. Ori achire Masina. Oh, Taka Abrantia de Kwenenya Kra. Adam Masina. Not Joseph Pinto. Or the born Adam Masina. Okwenoko Sabrantia Nasiguho. Oh, Joseph Pinto was 29. or 1 and 9. Kanka the kankatwa. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Oh. I can't say anymore at the pie. Ghana for Shebi, Sana Morocco for Shebi. Milo Vardenesa, F. Triusa, Morocco for the Jamaica craft from. Oh, I can't say anymore at the Ghana for one of Jamana no Moshe. Ghana for the Jamana no Moshe. Oh, wait a minute, comment at us here. Ghana for the Jamana no Moshe. Oh, Jordan, are you? Wait a minute, comment at us here. Ghana for the Jamana no Moshe. Jordan, are you? You the Jordan Bayer. Oh, Jordan, are you? Wait a minute, comment at us here. Ghana for the Jamana no Moshe. Jordan, are you? You the Jordan Bayer. Oh, Jordan, are you? Wait a minute, comment at us here. Ghana for the Jamana no Moshe. Jordan, are you? And the yard on the crab on, and the boachi yardom on the crab on, and the yardom. You heard of it, my Ghana, the blast of Ghana, goalkeeper Bono, goalkeeper Bono, Baba Chibono, goalkeeper Bono, Baba Chibono, goalkeeper Bono, Baba Chibono, Morocco for the crab on. You heard of it, my oh, there be referee Bono enter the blasters of Ghana. There is a pushing. Baba Idrisu akwako pia abrantie Boafa a crash. Oh, there be piano. I don't know so then it's a one any. Oh, there be Baba Idrisu abrantie that from L19. Ya bobo na siakan akore nimpaye. Yes, I can't say Edionunum. Sima Edionunum. Blasters of Ghana for Nshebi, Sana Morocco for HB Nshebi. Blasters for Nshebi, Nami Kato, Morocco for Nshebi. Yabonete, Debbie. Oh, Abrante loser. Obobo no bia anko. Enti referee say a goal kick. Eradicasa. We support our anymore. I say waka jebidiem. Hey. Goalkeeper Jojo Wale ko Obobo ntete. Etire ko wiem. Sanya Ghana for Obobo no. Mr. Akra, who born is it? Sir. All right, Morocco 4 boy paye. 25 minutes of play. Ghana and Shebi. Morocco 4 and Shebi. The blast of Ghana one born to Echo. You heard it, John Abeya. Oh, Debbie. Jordan, that's all fun who and Sheboni. I said, Jordan, are you on fire who ain't Shebonim? Jordan, on fire who ain't Shebonim. Patana Kabibio.
Is soon in the data, son or bonabo. Sanya must say, no, we are not for 10.
Sir.
A big woman, no, we have a jepe. Who's there?
Hey, Semo. Morocco for the crab on. Morocco, goalkeeper 1-10. Oh, you cried the blast of Ghana. You heard the Ghana for Betmaye. Ghana. I'm passing the goalkeeper, Jojo Wale Court. On so about 1-10. Oh, there be Obiani ho. Goalkeeper Bono Wakachi Bono, come. Jojo Wale Court, Branton, who have a paye. Janet Ness so Afro. Bonnie Krakama, Morocco phone. Morocco for the crab on. Morocco. Opia bonus. 1-10 or Shamai. Oh, you heard about oh Debbie. Amate. Oh Debbie, there is a push. And so reference a play on. Oh, Amate yasa piano referee for wadai ya. Abrantie no wadai ya.
We so a Jordan so a. Omunyini film na omunko amombo.
Achim. Boy who ni say?
Mini say blasters enimu ho no. Anyone say Jordan say or Kenton who say Kensi ni esi no. Oh say your man no speed way bia na ya na ahoden o
game no onimu ya yi na free onka ho.
Na so no striker bakupo.
Oh na hwe afanu no nyina so aso obi ehu ni nyom.
Ene Milo obo Jordan any dede as striking. Obo mmienu.
Na say ko bo Yadom.
Yadom. Emma Jordan ti yen koso ne hwe safe na ya safe nti yen hwe de.
Yeah, klaba efrabreche ba kure klaba mi. Ye ni me tete na no oye klaba efrabreche ba kure.
Okay. All right. And on the commenter, if we panel for Eba. Mr. Ankrasi Kraba, if you have Chiba Kras, all right, so Blast of Ghana for Mudia Penny, ever heard of one Morocco for the crab on the Morocco for Debbie. Referee sit there, Jordan, are you? Oh, Debbie, are you? Just our Paba. Oh, did they are you? A brighter loser. Referee Aji Foul Amano. Tackle the day are you Eric Coin and say Enfata. Morocco for the crab on here, heard of Betmaye. Morocco and a crab on. Morocco, the one Eddie Agrossa, our passing in the center for the one. You heard about Morocco for the one echo. Morocco. Oh, Debbie, I'm sad job on him, but the man in your bed today. Oh, I'm also passing in your bed today, number 40 is a dead man. Ghana for Koibon, SOB anymore. Oh, anyone has a Ghana for a Mumbobono. Obiani anymore. Oh, Obiani anymore. Oh, Obo 442. Obiani anymore. Oh, Morocco for the crab on your head of Morocco makes my Bakumi and Wajapasim. With Jabon with your money, Yonko, Morocco for the body, Ghana for equality. Morocco. What you back me? Oh, referee foul. Oh, referee, Yakuanim. Ghana blaster for Nadibon, the blast of Ghana. Ghana the crab on or the body, Eddie Crab, no. Oh, just a bottle of foul, one and Munyade. Born in Munyade. Tackle at the master for Teddy Coinanye. Abrante Boafa. Abrante Boafa, a China ball on and I was a referee at the foul. Born in Munyade. In Chankwan. Oh, referee said fire in Morocco. Now me come for said you made you check Facebook. HYT come on like you paid in Wachama. You see, I can 30 minutes there. Obia and Shebi. Jordan, are you and Saka Bono and Swaye? Oh, blast off when you got Debbie, you're ready. Baba Rama, Jordan, so Eja born him, come on. But I'm Sulemani. Amate, oh, Debbie, Amate Saka Bono. Oh, Amate Jim back. Oh, where come on? With Jabon him. You're ready, blast off for Bear Bono. But, oh, Baba Raman, what you back home? Baba Raman, what pass him a Jordan? Hey, what a fantastic grip!